been accused of using his position to take freebies and reciprocate with favors, allegedly to help corporate giant SR Group in its business interests. The minister under scanner chooses to deny the charges vehemently. The charge really that he's in some sort of conflict of interest and bestowed favors for favors. But his party at this moment is not commenting on his activities. They've kept very, very quiet. Mr. Gadkari said they were my friends. What's the big deal? It's not just Mr. Gadkari, several other politicians belonging to the UPA and the Congress party, and also media men and women have been implicated in taking favors from the Ruyas in exchange perhaps to further their interests. That's the put that hasn't been proven. A PIL has been filed in court seeking an inquiry. Here's the report. We'll throw it open for debate.
Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's French cruise has run into troubled waters. A PIL at the Supreme Court's doorstep has accused him of embarking on a French cruise in 2013, sponsored by the SR Group, for appropriate favors allegedly in return.
The PIL filed in the Supreme Court has been accessed by the NewsX, and this PIL clearly shows the alleged nexus between the corporates, netas and bureaucrats, in which companies like SR showered the people in power with corporate gifts and favors for pushing their corporate agenda.
Private yachts, luxury yachts owned by SR and their owners have been provided to politicians like Mr. Gadkari, who was in a position to influence decisions of the state government, which were under the control of the BJP.
The man at the center of the storm putting up a brave defense.
There was no option that the chopper belongs to Ruya. उनके चॉपर में बैठकर गया था क्योंकि समुद्र के बीच में जाने के लिए there was no road. जो दिखाने के लिए वो गए थे. I feel that it's more than sufficient. I feel there is no problem.
But Gadkari isn't alone. Several Congress leaders too stand accused.
मैंने चिट्ठियां लिखी है जो मेरे पास नौकरी की दरखास्तें लेके आते हैं, उनके जो बायोडाटा होता है उसमें उनकी योग्यता के अनुसार नौकरी देने की सिफारिश हमेशा होती है.
Nothing wrong. Until and unless उस कंपनी के खिलाफ कोई आरोप नहीं है.
SR2 claims that the allegations are baseless, saying it will take legal action to ensure that protection of law against theft of its internal emails. The BJP expectedly keeping hands off.
इस तरह की चंडूल खाने की खबरें आती रहती हैं और उन चंडूल खानों की खबरों पर हर दिन कोई रिएक्शन किया जाए, मुझे लगता है जरूरी नहीं है.
I don't mind it. I don't oppose it. While writing some letter to the industrial houses or the government official granting job to the jobless youth in the country.
The allegation is that there is a hidden cozy crony capital club, a top oil firm, a union minister and several top politicians now stand in the dock for accepting gifts and freebies. The apex court will decide, and so will the court of public opinion. Bureau Report, NewsX.
Well, NewsX has all the documents. This story first reported by the Indian Express. We've been able to access all the files. Some of these letters are quite damning. One such letter goes from the Office of President Corporate Affairs to an individual called Shri PSR. I think all of us know what those initials stand for. It says, pursuant to my discussions with you, it was decided to strengthen the corporate affairs work at Delhi, with new UPA government taking over at the center and their fresh innings starting. This is an opportune moment for us to invest in right people at right places for reaping long-term benefits. This is not being made up by anyone. This is a letter, as I said, by the President of Corporate Affairs, dated June 2009, to an individual called Shri PSR. Anyone who knows a little bit about the corporate hierarchy of SR can put 2 and 2 together and decode the 3 letters here, PSR. I have noticed that quite a lot of them, especially the young parliamentarians, are techno-savvy and they prefer to communicate over emails and SMS than traditional letters. We have to have the right strategy to penetrate this base, and with this in mind, I propose to gift about 200 top-end cell phones to some of these esteemed leaders and also some of the top bureaucrats. Here it is. This has not been done to oblige friends. This has been done to push interest. This is what is written. For reaping long-term benefits, these are the 3 or 4 words, big telltale words. It's all here. There are pages of it. There are pages of it. I can go through almost about 112, 113 pages in dramatic detail, in telling detail. People have been obliged, right down from ministers in the UPA to junior members of parliament, to journalists, to other power brokers, several journalists who cover the beat, several of them who are editors, all feature getting all sorts of handouts, handsets, freebies, rides, cars, several details, all captured in these files. This file has been made available today to the Supreme Court via PIL that has been filed by Prashant Bhushan. We have with us this evening Prashant Bhushan. We also have with us Sudhindra Badoria, member of the Bahujan Samaj Party. We have with us Jainarayan Vyas, senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have with us Prem Shukla, executive editor, Dopar Ka Samna. Saurabh Bhardwaj, MLA and spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Jaiveer Shergill, national spokesperson of the Congress. Let me first begin with you, Mr. Bhushan, since you're the man who's gone to court, since you're the man who's leading the charge. How do you react to this story that has appeared, to these details that we have here with us? How do you react to all of this, sir? What do you make of it?
Which needs to be properly investigated because we need to understand that Mr. Gadkari is not only a top politician, but being the president of the BJP, he held considerable influence over the BJP governments in the states. He has himself held the office of a minister in the state and now holds the office of a minister in the central government.
Yes.
Now, for a politician in his position, he is accepting this kind of gratification from a large corporate house, which has enormous business interests spanning several sectors, and some of whom I am sure that Mr. Gadkari himself was also dealing with in his official capacity, either as a minister in the state.
Isn't it premature to use the word gratification, Mr. Bhushan, because Mr. Gadkari has said in his defense that he wasn't at
was also dealing with in his official capacity, either as a minister in the state.
Isn't it premature to use the word gratification, Mr. Bhushan, because Mr. Gadkari has said in his defense that he wasn't at that time a member of the government. Remember, he was in the opposition. He wasn't also a member of the government in Maharashtra because that was also where the Bharatiya Janata Party was in opposition. And he also had ceased to become the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said it was a private affair, so what's wrong? It was all between friends. Friends can oblige each other. They can take each other here and there. It doesn't mean that you have to reciprocate. Nothing is expected out of you. So how do you view that defense?
All right, if they are his friends and it's a private affair, then let us see whether he has ever dealt with the SRs in his official capacity. Is he saying that he has never dealt with the company of SR in his official capacity? Because if he has, then clearly this taking this kind of gratification amounts to an offense under the Prevention of Corruption Act. And if he should have then recused himself from dealing with any of those cases. Besides, we also need to investigate whether he had spoken to or influenced the Madhya Pradesh government or any other BJP government to favor SR in the various dealings that SR has with those state governments of the BJP.
No, fair enough, but isn't this going to then amount to a fishing expedition? Doesn't onus lie on individuals such as yourself, the prosecution in this particular case, to prove all of this, sir, before you actually demand or make such allegations or evoke certain suspicions?
You see, when you have a situation where a very powerful politician is taking a serious favor from a corporate house,
Yes.
a corporate house which has business interests in a large number of sectors, which normally Mr. Gadkari would have dealt with. For example, I think SR is also in the business of roads, etc. Now, he is the Minister for Transport.
Yes.
In that capacity, it is very likely that he has been dealing with cases of SR also. Now, if
True.
they are his personal friends, and if he takes gratification from them by way of a yacht trip for his entire family, and thereafter he deals with any file of SR,
Yes.
that's a clear offense under the Prevention of Corruption Act.
Okay, well, that still remains to be proven. Do stay on with us. Let me just throw this open to the panel. I just want to ask you, Mr. Jainarayan Vyas and Mr. Sudhindra Bhadoria, in that order. Mr. Vyas first. How can you actually defend this and say this is not conflict of interest, when it's very, very clear what the objectives of the SR group was? It's very clear in the communication that I am holding up here, that I'm citing before you, that they all wanted to do this to reap long-term benefits. We know how seeding is done, sir. You oblige people, you gratify them, then you call in the favors at a later date.
Rahul, two things I like to mention here. Number one, there is a distinct disconnect between the correspondence you are mentioning and Mr. Gadkari's visit, which is under focus as far as the present discussion is concerned. I would bank upon Mr. Prashant Bhushan's word. He said serious, substantial benefits. Now, if Mr. Gadkari was to take substantial benefits, he would have gone on his expense on the entire tour.
Sir, who doesn't like a freebie?
By the way,
please, are you trying to say that there are individuals who are going to look a gift horse in the mouth?
He invites you to visit his yacht.
No, sir, please.
So,
please,
so
sir.
where is...
You know, even in this company, no, sir, let me tell you.
Where is the mens rea?
Sir, let me tell you, sir, in this company, in NewsX, no, 1 second, sir, I just want to make a point.
Would have gone for the entire
no, I understand the point,
on somebody's expenses.
No, I understand the point. There are companies, no, 1 second, sir, please, let me finish.
The kind of issue involved is not substantial.
It depends on the individual where he draws the line of morality. In this media house, for instance, in this media company, we don't accept corporate gifts, even a pen that comes from any individual. I have given express instructions as the editor-in-chief of this channel that not even a pen shall be accepted. It depends on where you draw the line. And I'm asking you, Mr. Bhadoria, today, where should Mr. Gadkari have drawn the line? He's a public figure. He's a representative of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's a parliamentarian. He knows that these favors can be called at a later date. Is it easy to just say today, oh, you see, we were friends, and what's a favor between friends? How can you make that position tenable?
You see, this is a case of propriety, and I agree with Prashant Bhushan ji, who is a crusader against corruption. You see, this is nothing new in the club of crony capitalism, because we have seen even in the past, during Mrs. Gandhi's time, if you may recall, and if you go back in history, there was a case where the Birlas used to do the same thing, and lot of ministers and MPs were hauled up for this. Some had to even resign from the government. I remember the case of K.C. Pant in particular. Now, I would like to bring in here in this case that Mr. Gadkari, who is known that he was around those times the national president of the BJP also. Maybe not on that date, but around the same time, those preceding or after some, I think something around that time.
Yes.
So therefore, he was a very powerful person. He was a very influential person. He had the capacity to influence all the state units of the BJP also, being a very important leader. So therefore, if he was being gratified by the SR group, and SR group is a well-known group about its practices. You know, even in the
No, I don't-
espionage case recently.
Well, sir,
there
let's
are
not cast
people from this
aspersions.
company who have been arrested.
Let's stick to this particular
No,
case.
they have been arrested.
No, that's true.
No,
but we don't
I'm
know
just-
if that was
no,
part of
I see there are
organized.
linkages.
No,
The
we don't know, sir.
the
If that was.
SR
No, we don't know, sir. Please.
company has been using.
I agree with
No,
you,
the
sir,
SR
that there is
company
enough
has-
today for you to make this charge, but we can't substantiate it. We can't
No, but
endorse
the
it as
SR
a channel.
group has
All I'm
been-
saying is,
No, the SR
the point is well made. I understand the
SR
point you're
group
making.
has a history, and also presently they have been part of a certain. You see, the entire national media.
Sir,
the
that might be
electronic
so.
media,
There were other
media
companies
has been
also. I
talking
mean, in
about
this
it.
letter, it is
Most
mentioned.
certainly.
No, 1 second, sir. In this letter, it is mentioned that other companies like Reliance and Airtel are already doing this as a part of their relationship building exercise. So, SR may
I
not be
think
the only
so,
one. There are
therefore
others.
it
This
is-
is common practice, and it's up to the individual on the other side to accept all of this or not. I buy that point,
Precisely.
sir. The point that you're
Precisely.
making about.
Precisely.
Yes, I buy that point. But
Precisely.
let's
Let
not
me
cast
just complete in a
aspersions.
second. Let me just complete in a second.
Please.
Let me just complete in a second. I think the matter has been taken up before the Supreme Court.
Yes.
The Supreme Court now, I think in this issue, like it had done in the case of Neera Radia, similarly in this case, should come into act, and therefore a strong
Let's open this up.
inquiry should be held.
Mr.
in
Vyas,
all-
a quick response.
Yes. And
A quick
therefore,
response, sir.
action has to be taken. Action has to be taken
That there is-
by the Prime Minister, who had said that na khayenge na khane denge.
There you
but
are.
This culture is not
There you
of
are,
na
sir.
khayenge na
The
khane
moral
denge.
line has been drawn by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The moral line has been drawn by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We don't know, sir, now if he's going to walk the talk. This is a test case for this government. It's a test case, sir, of propriety. There is no other way of looking at it, Mr. Vyas. And I'm going to bring in the others and go back to Mr. Bhushan. Yes,
well,
please
Rahul.
respond, sir.
Well, Rahul, the custodian of all the morals, Aam Aadmi Party chief, he can afford to fly in private jets. He can afford to travel in the first class or executive class in the air. There nobody questions him.
What are you saying,
That's
sir?
why he is doing it.
What are you
And
saying, sir?
and whose money? Even if the money
Sir,
is
Newsex's
donated by
question.
somebody, or even if
You know, one
somebody is
second. I just
sponsored
want to
by
ask you, sir, that doesn't mean that two wrongs make a right.
So I think
because others do
I
it, we
would
should also
simply
do
say
it.
that
Sir, come on.
if there is any guilt or any mens rea established, he should be held guilty.
It's not
I am
about
not
that,
defending
sir.
him.
It's not
But
about
on
guilt.
any trivials,
There is no
on
one
a drop
second,
of
sir.
a head,
Let's be
anybody in
very
the public
clear.
life, you draw him into
No, sir,
controversy.
let's be very
I
clear.
think it is not fair.
Mr. Bhushan alleges an impropriety. That's for the courts to judge. We're not talking about a criminal impropriety here. We are
No,
talking
that
about a
he has
moral
been doing for
impropriety,
umpteen
sir.
number of times.
There is a moral question that rises here. If there are ministers, MPs, let me bring in Jayaveer Shergill. Jayaveer Shergill and the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson also with us this evening is Saurabh Bhardwaj. But before that, let me go to Jayaveer. That rises here. If there are ministers, MPs, let me bring in Jayaveer Shergill. Jayaveer Shergill and the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson also with us this evening is Saurabh Bhardwaj. But before that, let me go to Jayaveer Shergill. You're a man of the law. You've got so many legal books behind you. I'm sure at some point or the other you will concur with Mr. Bhushan, saying that, okay, he has a point. If he can prove his case, there is a criminal offense. But, Mr. Shergill, the fundamental point here is not about criminality. It's about propriety, morality. It's about morality.
Rahul, I think it will be unfair to prejudge this entire issue, and I'll restrict my answer to simple propriety and moral propriety. I think in either way around, whether it's a criminal case or whether it's about moral propriety, the element of quid pro quo somewhere has to be, prima facie looked into. That propriety can only be looked through the prism of a quid pro quo, that whether there are any undue favors being extended, favors which are not according to the code book, favors not according to the ethical standards of the society. No, that's what I'm saying, Rahul. I am not prejudging, giving a clean chit or
are you saying this because
I'm
UPA
saying
big guns are
even if
also
moral propriety
besmirched?
question has to be judged, it has to be seen from the prism of undue. No. Rahul, I'm not saying that, like for a referral issue, today being in public life, a referral is not a diktat. to say, thou shall give him the job, otherwise this will happen. If that is proved, yes, it's definitely illegal. If a referral is given to say, yes, this is unemployed, see the merit, do it, they are not reference for their sons and daughters. Then
So
also
what
I can
about the
understand the
principle of
propriety. They are in
meritocracy?
public life, they are public representatives.
So this is called
if they gave me a
shifarish.
referral, just,
No, sir. Tell me, isn't this called shifarish?
Of course.
It's called shifarish.
I
So
said that,
why are
Rahul.
military
I
against
said the letter,
equality
if the letter,
and meritocracy.
no, if the letter says,
No, one second.
not at all.
No, 1 second.
No,
ये आया,
Rahul,
इसको लगा दो.
the
वो आया,
line,
उसको लगा
Rahul,
दो. You
let me
oblige a
complete.
company. The company
No,
obliges
Rahul,
you.
the line
you become
is-
tied
the
down.
line is-
the line gets
Nobody
blurred.
writes like that, Rahul.
It is
Rahul,
very
that
much
is not
like that.
correct. You are stretching the matter to the other
I am
extreme.
not, sir.
Can I
Any
respond?
recommendation
Rahul,
that
I
a
am
public
with you.
life functionary writes
Rahul,
is to
the
treat the case
line
of marriage.
is very-
Nobody says
line
that you
is-
must employ this
line
fellow.
is very thin.
That
That
doesn't
is why I
happen.
said
But
if
if
the
in my
letter says or a
constituency there are a number of
communication
people who
says,
are
thou
unemployed,
shalt
Sir, tell me
and
something.
by
job, then it is
forwarding
wrong.
his application,
But
I
if it is
can
a
just
pure
be
referral, then there is
a vehicle
nothing
for
wrong in it.
taking
No,
him to
one
somebody
second,
who
one
needs
second,
it.
sir, one second,
I
one
think
second.
it's my job to do it.
No, Mr. Vyas, 1 second. It might be your job to look after the interests of your constituents, but are you telling me that if a mantri writes a letter to a company to say, look, hire this guy, he has the qualifications, that company is going to have the guts to write back and say, no, sir, I don't think so, but thank you very much for making the suggestion. Come on, sir. We all know what world are we living in. Sifarish is a known thing. It happens at much lower levels. Mr. Shukla is laughing.
It all
Mr. Shukla,
depends.
come on.
It all
Let's
depends.
talk. Let's
Simply
talk.
forwarding
Let's
biodata
talk.
doesn't mean a diktat.
No, let's talk in the real
Simply
world tonight.
forwarding a biodata, Rahul, it is
Please.
job of a public life functionary
Sir, please.
to send it to the concerned.
Right. I understand that.
Letters office, even his PM has
You
sent
pick
a
up one
biodata that
person,
here it is
you
forwarded.
want him
And
promoted,
no company
you pick
gives
up
a job
another
on such
person, you want
forwarding
him
of the
employed.
biodata.
No, sir, I mean, it's not an
company gives
employment.
such
No,
job, Rahul. I have hundreds
MP.
of cases
No
where
MP runs
there
an
is no
exploit.
response from the company, even acknowledgement.
Sir, no MP runs an employment exchange. Yes, they can do it out of goodwill, but you know, sir, what I'm saying. Come on, you know what I'm saying. Saurabh
No,
Bhardwaj,
Rahul.
am I making a point that is being
I think,
stretched too
Rahul,
far?
there is a thin line between reference, recommendation and sifarish.
So that's the problem. That's why. Because there is such a thin line, stay away.
Rahul, I think-
don't
I
seek
think-
favors, don't
No,
do favors.
No.
That's
you
what
are
it
wrong.
means
Rahul,
to be
then
in
if
public
there-
life.
That is why I said, if there is an element of quid pro quo, then it becomes a sifarish. If it is a diktat, it becomes a sifarish. All university admissions happen on a reference. You
Tell
need
me,
to
sir,
from a
tell me what does
professional
this word
reference
mean?
from your past
I want
worker.
to bring in
I'm
Saurabh
sure
Bhardwaj.
people leaving your
No, 1
organization
second.
are taking reference.
No, I want to bring in Saurabh
Reference.
Bhardwaj. I want to bring in Saurabh Bhardwaj. I want to bring in Mr. Shukla also. Mr. Shukla, first to you. I want to ask you this. Listen to this line. Listen carefully. Yes. With the new UPA government taking over at center and their fresh innings starting, this is an opportune moment for us to invest on right people. On right people. At right places. Right places. Look at the emphasis. It should be the right person at the right place. Why? For reaping long-term benefits. What benefits, sir? It's benefits. The word is benefits. Mr. Shukla, these are the words, not my words. This is the words
Rahul,
between two of the
Rahul,
highest
I'm
recipients
rejecting.
in SR.
But since the PIL has been filed, Supreme Court will
I think the
definitely go into
recipients of
veracity and
freebies
authenticity of the
may
document
not be-
itself. So let's not prejudge the issue to that
I'm not
extent.
prejudging, sir. I'm only looking at the motivation. The motivation is obvious. Why are we debating that? Are we also saying that we need a proof?
No, Rahul, all I am saying, Supreme Court has a very high standard. Supreme Court
I'm
will
sure,
also
sir.
go behind the
I'm only
authenticity and
asking the
veracity of
question
document
because
next with the petition.
I'm only asking a question tonight
Yeah.
because Congress leaders, BJP leaders have come back and said, "What's the big deal? This happens. What's the big deal?" Now I want to ask you, Mr. Shukla, what's the big deal? Answer.
Yes.
Explain to
Rahul,
me. Why isn't
you
it
are
such a big
asking
deal?
the question on the presumption that document is the correct document, number
sir.
one.
Now we are questioning the authenticity of the document.
Second,
Fine.
you are asking the
We can-
question.
Rahul,
how
this is-
far you are
Rahul,
down.
you are
Going into
No,
the
it may be internal correspondence of
there is something wrong
SR
behind
group.
that.
Whether there was a
If you are
quid
a-
pro
How
quo
can
or
you
not.
know the intention of the...
Sir, the intention is
How you
specified
can...
here.
No
It is
one can
specified here
judge
in
the
black and
intention
white.
of the company, na?
So the intention is specified
whether
in black and
recipients
white.
were
You
low,
want me to read it again?
Yes.
I'll read it again to you, sir.
Where recipients
Let
were
me
knowing
read
about
it.
the intention of the SR group.
With the new- I'll read it
good
again.
counsel of the Supreme Court, you are trying to prejudge the thing.
I'm not prejudging anything, sir. Please don't try to put me on the defensive here. Please, I'm not the man who's taken these favors. Please. So please, let's at least observe certain lines. I'm only reading out what I'm seeing, as an intention.
So that is
The
all
word
right,
favor is not appropriate.
Okay, it's not. It's not
Rahul,
appropriate.
the word favor is not appropriate.
I am not using the word favor, sir. That's the PIL. The
Because-
PIL is
yes,
using the
because
word favor.
In particular,
The reason you are here is to answer whether this is a favor or
PIL
not.
is not admitted yet. Why we are passing judgments?
Sir, there
Mr.
are
Bhushan
documents.
is an officer of law. He must have trust into the Supreme Court. He must make the judgment.
So we take the familiar route. We say let's have
PIL
no debate.
whether the
Let's
PIL
not
is
talk about
admitted.
this issue. Let
No,
the
no,
Supreme Court sit
you
in
can
judgment.
debate.
Let's
But you are-
quickly.
no,
No, one second.
you
Let's
are-
quickly
no,
push this.
No,
No, no.
you can debate.
No, one
but you are
second.
charging them.
Let's quickly push
Without
this. No, one
investigating the
second.
matter.
So what
you
you are
are
saying,
charging
Rahul,
them.
Mr. Bhadoria, I
you are
find this-
using the word as
I
favor.
find, one second. I find this
Gadkari
logic.
just visiting. Gadkari has just accepted an invitation from a corporate group.
Right.
What do you want? Every corporate group should be treated as untouchable. Then you should
Sir,
issue an order from the
sir,
Supreme Court.
there is something called a junket.
And you should
There is
ban
something called a
the
junket.
corporate contribution to the
There
political
is
parties.
something called a
No,
junket. One second.
if you find this very serious, then you should ask to the election commission.
I want to bring
to
in Saurabh
ban the
Bhardwaj.
corporate contribution to
One
the
second,
political
one second.
parties.
Well, there's a debate about that also. There's a debate about that. Saurabh Bhardwaj wants to come in. We lost him for a few moments. Mr. Bhardwaj.
Yes, Rahul. Yes, Rahul. Mr. Prashant Bhushan is a very reasonable man and a very fine advocate, and he has raised very relevant point. And the way, take it from me, the kind of technical arguments the BJP spokesperson and the Congress spokesperson are forwarding, anybody who is watching this show, there is a collective conscience of the society, there is a collective wisdom. They know it in their heart that these
What
technical
Kejriwal was
arguments
doing
do
when
not
he was
hold.
using private jets?
Mr. Gadkari had been earlier also accused of things. Yes.
I would like to
Yes,
come in after
yes, you are free, you can approach courts, and we are open for all kinds of public scrutiny. When Kejriwal was using a private jet to travel to a show of a TV channel, he is open for all kinds of public scrutiny.
For whose benefit?
I don't.
For whose
And the
benefit?
kind of quid pro quo you can see in the arguments being forwarded by the Congress and the BJP spokespersons, that shows a lot of quid pro quo between these two political parties, the way they are trying to defend each other, the way they are trying to say that, oh, this matter is in Supreme Court, let's not discuss it, let's not debate it, let the court decide. There is so much of honor being associated with the court, and then the guys...
We don't accept
Saurabh, sorry I'm
at the
interjecting
midnight,
you.
12 in the midnight,
You know,
50 lakhs in court.
I hope
We don't do that.
Well, it's like the pot calling the kettle black.
We
Rahul,
don't accept
second,
at
I'm
the
remembering
midnight.
on your show the tone.
You can't laugh it away.
No,
You
no.
will have to answer this.
No, the tone of the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson was different when a shell
You are
company
free
was
to oppose
funding
the
them to the
courts.
tune of 2 crore.
So
The
that's also
central
before the
government,
court. Let me
Mr.
tell you,
Vyas,
sir.
Why
Let
did
me
Mr.
quote
Saurabh
back.
Bhardwaj file a
Let
PIL
me
when
quote
the
back the
private charges
favorite
were
excuse
used?
and pretext of the
Third.
political class. No, one second, gentlemen,
Aam
one
Aadmi
second.
Party list they talk better it is.
Gentlemen, let me quote back to you the favorite defense of the political class. The matter is in court. The court will look into it. Why are you getting so het up? That's the response. Mr. Bhadoria, come in, sir. Quote back to you the favorite defense of the political class. The matter is in court. The court will look into it. Why are you getting so het up? That's the response. Mr. Bhadoria, come in, sir.
Yes.
Mr. Bhadoria.
Yeah, you see, this is a very erroneous parallel that they are trying to draw about Mr. Kejriwal traveling at that time to attend, I think, electronic media conclave, because that was not
India
traveling to a destination to go into the French Riviera for a cruise with the family members. Number
Oh,
one.
I wonder
Number
if he-
two, and I also heard on your channel one of the BJP
For
leaders
whose
saying
benefit?
that Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi used to stay at the house of Birlas. You see, the same party, Congress party, under the leadership of Mrs. Gandhi, when she was the Prime Minister, took a strong action against ministers and its MPs who were also being gratified by a big business house at that time.
Mayawati and
I do
JP's
not know
relations also.
why today, why today,
Mr. Bhadoria,
why
what is the
today,
relationship
why
between JP and Mayawati? Why is
You want to discuss
contributing
that? I'm open to discuss
You
You want to discuss that? You can have that discussion.
No, why? Yes, I want to. When you are passing the certificate.
You are free to have that discussion.
No, we can discuss. You are also answerable to the question. Why Mayawati has kept a note counting machine at the residence?
Then
What was the reason?
collected money the way she created.
Was it an exchequer? If you are talking about the propriety, please resign from the BSP. Please resign from the BSP. Why Mayawati has kept note counting machine at the residence? Please tell me the reason.
Your party has been.
Please tell me the reason.
We know how much you are
If you have gotten moral authority, please resign from बहुjan Samaj Party.
You have not appointed.
If you are giving us speaking about the morality, please resign from बहुjan Samaj Party.
Yes, of course. That does not restrict me. When
You will
there is
resign?
a debate on corruption.
Very
we
true,
will
very
talk
true,
on
Mr.
all
Shukla,
facets
go
of
ahead.
No, then talk about Mayawati's corruption, na? Most corrupt lady. She was even WikiLeaks has said that she was using private aircraft just to buy her chappals.
These are your usual taxes.
So you are talking morality.
These are your usual diversionary
You are
taxes.
talking morality.
You can continue
Please
your blah,
be
blah, blah.
shameful.
You can continue your blah, blah, blah.
Okay, well, you see, this is the
No,
problem.
I'm not continuing. You are continuing blah,
Okay,
blah,
one
blah.
second, gentlemen,
No,
one
you
second.
are free to continue with
Okay,
your
one
blah,
second,
blah, blah.
gentlemen, one second. Don't get het up. Don't get het up. I know this is a difficult subject. This is a difficult subject because you see, all political parties have closed affiliations with corporate houses for different reasons. And I know that this is a difficult, touchy subject for each one of you. So I'm not going to continue to harass any one of you. I'm just going to go back to Mr. Bhushan and listen to him for just a few more moments. He is with us for a few more moments. I'm being reliably told, Mr. Bhushan, you said that, look, we need to determine whether Mr. Gadkari had dealings with the company in his official capacity sometime in his career. Now, I'm asking you, sir, I'm asking you a very simple question. You're making the charge. Surely the onus lies on you to prove these charges. Mr. Bhushan, can you hear me, sir?
No, I am not saying that I have proved it or anything. I am saying that this is a matter for investigation. I am saying that prima facie, this is a matter which requires serious investigation. And that's what we have asked in our PIL in the Supreme Court, that this matter needs to be thoroughly and independently investigated. It is not just the case of Mr. Gadkari. A very large number of politicians, a large number of bureaucrats, and a large number of media persons have been gratified in one way or the other by SR, which had been doing this job in a very, very well oiled and very well organized way in order to cultivate these people by way of giving them jobs to their nominees, by way of giving them high top-end smartphones with an expense account of 5,000 rupees a month, by way of all kinds of other things, by way of giving them contracts, etc., or their friends' contracts. Now, this is how the whole establishment is being suborned by a large corporate house like SR, and they make no bones about it. If you look at those emails, they say very clearly that we are cultivating all these people so that we get favorable orders. They have been planting questions in Parliament. They have been planting stories in the media. They have been getting out information, confidential information from the government from these people, and they have been gratifying them in order to get.
No, so you're saying, sir, Mr. Bhushan, you're saying that you have one second, sir, 1 second. I'm coming to, let's just finish with Mr. Bhushan. One more question, 1 second, please. So you're saying, Mr. Bhushan, that this is an example of favors for paybacks. You have no doubts about it. Is that what you're saying? It's a serious charge.
No, I'm not saying that. You see, there are cases of direct bribery of thousands of crores, etc. Now, in this case, the evidence for direct bribery of that kind is relatively minimal.
Okay.
But what it does show is the other ways in which the corporation like SR manages the whole establishment and the whole system, suborns the decisions and the actions of these people for favorable commercial purposes.
So I'm
this
asking
itself is a serious matter, which some of these acts amount to offences under the Prevention of Corruption Act. So far as suborning the media.
Okay, so I'm asking you, sir. So it's an example of Neta crony capitalism in your book. Yes or no?
Yes, that's
Yes.
what it is.
Okay. We'll leave it at that, sir. We've run out of time. We'll leave it at that. Closing thoughts. Mr. Vyas, closing thoughts before I move in to the other big debate of the evening. Closing thoughts, sir. Very quickly. Do you believe that the Bharatiya Janata Party should stand by Mr. Gadkari? Do you believe that the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, should entertain Mr. Gadkari, seek an explanation, put it out into the public domain?
No, I was just trying to learn little more from Mr. Bhushan, who is an eminent lawyer, that would he like to investigate about those shell companies who were loss-making and who have contributed
So
to
now
his
you're diverting. I'm only asking you, should
party,
Mr.
Aam Aadmi
Narendra
Party.
Modi
Why
take a
doesn't he
stand
do
on
that?
Mr. Gadkari? Should the party take an official stand on Mr. Gadkari? Yes or no, sir? Straightforward answer. I want a straightforward answer.
The matter deserves consideration and appropriately, I am sure it will be considered by the party.
Okay, I just hope that other spokespersons of the Bharatiya Janata Party see it the way you're seeing it. Hopefully, there will be an official explanation sought for Mr. Gadkari. These charges will be looked into deeper. The courts will go into this deeper. Let's hope that at the end of the day, truth surfaces in some capacity or the other, so we can actually see how deep the tentacles run of crony capitalism in this country, or whether it is a big phantom that is resurrected from time to discredit individuals. We'll take a short break. Lots more coming up in just a few moments. The big debate.